All right, today we're gonna bring a power surge, and this is great for outdoors. It's waterproof. We're gonna take a look at it and see what we get when we get something like this. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it. Here we have it already, and if you guys see it, it's well protected. The actual power button on and off. All right. Now just take a look at the back. In the back, there's actually some draining areas, so in case there's any water in the top, it'll drain through the bottom. There's two mounts in the back, and of course right next to all the draining ports, all right, that you guys can see. Now this is for outdoor graded. It's perfect for if you have a pool, if you want to set up your pump, if you want to set up any outdoor lighting or anything that you are kind of aware. So a couple weeks ago we had a big storm here where my power was automatically triggering inside. It was just completely shutting everything down. We found out that we left a power surge out here, and it did flood it a little bit. They kind of went over through it, and of course we have that little area where it actually picked up on our main switch. So we end up getting something like this because we need something like this, especially if the pool ever overfloods or something happens. This is where we're actually going to set this up. So I'm actually going to set this up right now, and we're going to set it up so we can connect multiple things into the devices too. So let's take a look. We're going to set up here the power source. I do have a draining pipe here for the water, so if it overfloods, if you guys can see there's some water coming in, that's fine with it. We're going to actually raise this up. We're going to set it higher so it could raise up and we don't have to worry about it. So very simple to use. It has 3 connections. I hope you guys enjoy the video.